Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve Get Trunk puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Alexander Majoric from Slovakia and made by Pelikan in Czech Republic with absolutely amazing quality. The Get Trunk puzzle was made using many different types of wood such as oak, cherry, Venge, Zebrana, acacia. The difficulty level of the Get Trunk puzzle is 9 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the object of the puzzle is quite complicated here since there are 3 different objects. The first one is to fit 5 elephants inside the frame, including one of the Zebrana pieces. Zebrana is the type of wood that used to make this elephant. The second object will be to remove the Zebrana elephant and put another Zebrana elephant inside. And you have to find the way how to fit all of them inside the frame. And the last one will be to remove the Venge piece elephant and fit all these 5 pieces inside. And as you can see, the frame also has a couple of restrictions. There are restrictions in each corner, so you have to keep it in mind when you put in parts inside. This is a type of puzzle that not only interesting to solve, but also a very good looking, since it is made like a picture. You can hang it on a wall. There is a cutout right here on the back. So once you're done solving, or even if you didn't solve it yet, you can hang it on a wall and it's gonna look very beautiful. There is a piece of acrylic right here, so when you put parts inside, they're not gonna fall out. If you like the Get Trunk puzzle and you wanna buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. And if you want to see the solution of this puzzle, keep watching the video. And now I will show you how to solve the puzzle. I will start with opening the frame, since the frame is kind of a small puzzle as well because of the extremely well quality of craftsmanship of Pelikan. It is hard to find how to open it since there are hardly seen any gaps or seams how to do that. But what you have to do is to remove one of the sides. So in my case, it's going to be the right side. I have just to pull it out since it is held by very strong magnets, and you can remove it. As you can see, like that, it's almost invisible that there are seams here, and how to open, we will try to open and maybe other sides, but only one of 4 will be available for that. So now we can put it on a side since we don't need it until we solve the puzzle. And now we will try to fit these 5 parts inside. So I'm gonna start with the dark piece, the Venge piece. I'm gonna put it right in here. The next elephant will be this one. It fits right in this corner. The Zebrana piece will go right in here. The next one will fit right in this spot, and we have only one elephant left, which fits here quite well. And as you can see, the first challenge is done and the puzzle is solved. You can close the lid and maybe even hang it on a wall like that. Now we move to the second challenge, where we have to remove one of the Zebrana pieces and fit another Zebrana piece. And the solution is going to be different. So I have to remove all parts from the frame, and I think that I will start assembling this one. The Venge piece this time will be on top, and this piece is going to be below the Venge piece. Next, we can grab this one and put it right here. As you can see, there is a lot of space left here, but that is how you have to solve it. So we have 2 elephants left. This one fits perfect right here, right between the legs of this elephant, and the last one will be perfect right in this spot. And that is the second solution of the Get Trunk puzzle. And now the last one, we have to remove the Venge piece, the Venge elephant, and fit the rest 5 inside. So again, I have to remove all of them, and I'll start with this one. I put it right here on top. The next one will be this elephant. I'm gonna put it right in here. Now I'm gonna deal with this one. I can put it right here. We have only a couple of elephants left. This one goes right in here, and as you can see, there is space enough just for one elephant. You can even see the shape of this elephant right in here. So we can put it right in this spot, and the puzzle is assembled. You can close the lid and maybe hang the puzzle on a wall. So that was the 3 solutions of a Get Trunk puzzle. A great puzzle and an interesting new concept of a puzzle. There are not so many puzzles of this kind which you can solve and then hang it on a wall like a beautiful picture. If you like the Get Trunk puzzle, or you want to try some other amazing puzzle designed by Alexander Majoric or made by Pelican, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time.